Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Who likes princesses? Let's make these fantastic Belle and Elsa cake designs. Start by slicing a vanilla cake in half and add some Italian buttercream icing. Spread it evenly. Pop on the top of the cake. Layer it up. And then remove the excess icing from around the edges. Let's get some Italian buttercream and split it into 2 bowls, adding food colouring to each. 1 yellow and 1 blue. Pop those into separate food piping bags. Now with a smooth nozzle, we're going to pipe on yellow buttercream icing to 1/2 of our cake. Smoothing it out like so. And all around the side. Great, now let's do blue on the other side. Around the edge. Time to pipe on some decorations using a serrated edge piping nozzle. Starting with the yellow, we're piping on flower-like patterns. Starting at the bottom of the cake and working our way up to the top. Lovely. Let's do the same with blue. Taking a little care. There. Now sprinkle some corn flour onto a work surface and roll out red fondant icing. Now cut out some small circles. Now these are going to make up the petals of a fondant rose, so flatten them out. We've got a stick placed in a ball of red fondant and we're just wrapping this around the stick. This will be the inner petal. And then just layer it around the outside to form all your petals. There! Pop it on top of your cake. And now pipe on some green Italian buttercream icing for the stalk and the leaves. Amazing! We've got some white fondant icing cut like a flower, and we're writing the name Belle with melted dark chocolate. Let's just stick that on top next to the rose. And it's ready! A wonderful Belle cake. Let's go for our next design. We're doing Elsa. We need Italian buttercream icing with blue food colouring. Looking nice and icy there. Get your plain vanilla cake. Slice it in half. Add some plain Italian buttercream icing and spread it out evenly. Just as before. Pop the other half of the cake on. And we're layering it up and smoothing around the edges. Then cover the sides in more white buttercream icing. Smooth it out to perfection. And add a few dollops of the blue buttercream icing around the edge. Smoothing it out to get a kind of two-tone effect. Now we're going to melt some mint candies on the hob. Stir them the whole time so they don't burn and stick to the bottom. Pour in some water We just want to thin the mixture out a little bit. There we go. Bring it to the boil and add some blue food colouring. Can you guess what this is going to make? Yep, you're right. This is going to be our ice. Lovely. Pour that onto a lined baking tray. Spread it out a bit. And chill till it's set. Then just crack it up. Lovely. Looks just like shards of ice. These are going to be used to decorate the top of your cake. Let's stick some on. Awesome! Now we're sticking on some fondant silver snowflakes around the edge and on the top. Small ones, big ones. Piping on some Italian buttercream icing as snow. And carefully placing some pearl sprinkles. Wow, amazing and delicious.